It's the last day. I really can sleep in this bed. In the world to travel. I gotta put on jean pants because in America, I'm sure it's gonna be cold. So, I'm not gonna put on that hot jacket though. I'm gonna just hold on to it in case it get cold. I know it's hot. I know it's hot out there. Ray-Bans. Yeah, I'm all dressed and I'm about to go get me some breakfast. Yeah, so y'all, this is the lazy river. This is where I was at yesterday. Leaving today, I'm leaving. I really enjoyed myself. Peaceful, therapeutic. I'm definitely gonna come back. Alright, so I'm about to get me some breakfast before I leave out. I'm finished eating and waiting on my driver here so I can go to the airport. I really enjoy our trip. It's amazing. I recommend anyone to come here. It's amazing. Farewell. Oh, he's coming. Okay. I made it back to the airport and about to head back home. Y'all probably hear me whine, but I don't wanna leave, but I gotta go right now. It's basically raining here to prepare me, and it's kind of cool, so kind of prepare me for what Atlanta weather is. It's kind of windy. So this vacation is coming to an end. Enjoy every part of it, every bit, every ounce. Let me show y'all how I look outside. Yeah, but I'm about to board the plane. It is currently 12:50. It's 12:50. I'm bored at 11. So I'm on time. This is some chill time. No, for me. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I finally made it back home from my long vacay that I really so needed. At the end of this vlog, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed this trip and filming the trip. There'll be more videos like this, travel vlogs. There'll be more videos of a lot of other things as well. Guys, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what it is that you guys want to see more of. So, see y'all.
Try to hit 1,000 likes.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?